Hi, Professor McSweeney. This is my Week 8 video. The question posed this week says, in all the areas of counseling that we have covered to this point, is there an area that you feel more drawn to, that you would like to be more of an expert? What steps can you take to facilitate this process? Something that really stuck out to me in regards to the counseling was the group counseling. Group counseling is something that we kind of covered last semester and a little bit this semester. And I was really drawn to that because I just like the idea of working in a group. I love being part of a team, and I really think that students can use motivation, especially at the level that I'm hoping to work at, which would be the high school and potentially middle school level. I think that there's a lot of peer pressure, and there's a lot of negative influence that they can get from their peers and student groups, and if they're working together to do something positive like group counseling and talking about issues that every student or a group of students is affected by, like bullying or substance abuse or social media bullying or any range of issues, I think that working together to reach a common goal is something that I really admire, and I would love to get better at doing group counseling and become an expert in that measure. What steps can I take to facilitate this process? I think that when I join my internship program at my prospective school site, and I still have a decent amount of time until I do that, when I do that, ultimately I would really like to focus in on some group counseling. I know that's something that a lot of the counselors that I've interviewed have done and continue to do, and I think to facilitate this process, it's something that's going to take a lot of role playing in class. Definitely that would help, and then also just field experience when I'm working at my internship, conducting group sessions, and definitely preparing things beforehand. So maybe like a couple of icebreakers, knowing the scripts that they give us in the book, sticking to one topic, and even the textbook is extremely helpful because it lays out the weeks for you, what to discuss in each prospective week. So I definitely would utilize that as a resource. But out of all the areas that we've discussed, I really feel like group counseling is something that a lot of students can benefit from, regardless of socioeconomic status or what geographic area they're in within California. I think all students could benefit from group counseling, and it's a positive way that they can socialize and work with others to achieve a common goal. So thank you, Professor. This is our last video, so thanks for a great class. I hope to have you again soon. Thanks so much.